Good morning, ma'am. My name is Micol Gasalatan, BAPS 1, Block 5. English politeness. If you pronounce head, dead, and bird, you'll hear the last word rhymes with dead. And in this point, you will surely find many items of this kind. For instance, there and fur, and her but bear, ger and ter, but were and ter, yes and less, and flesh, but pleasant, mend and fit, but sweet and great. The last word rhymes with frit and wit. Quite differently again is sight, which sound like bite, indict, and light. The next line shall be read with care. The fraying freer say his freer. Ben and len, and men but meant. Not G in git, in Jim and gin. Vice but craves, advice and devise. Lies but malice, police, consist. We say dream but also dreamed. The last word rhyming with instrument crow, blue, and new but so. Go and row, but so and row. Useless does not sound like measure, the same applied to treasure. Bread and made and laid but said. Treat but treat, and tread but tread. Per se danger, then say anger. Count but country, southern but south. Disguise but browse, youth and hunt. Broke but brooch, and broad but blood. Hold but mood, and food but blood. Mint but paint, and court but word. Dull and goal, and hole but fall. Lol and skull, but ball and fall. Your floor but or, and for we say bone and loan. But gun pronounce like done or down. Ton and stone, and throne but done. Phone and home, and scone but none. Now, reader always bear in mind that differently between wind and wind, the letter rhymes with rind and kind. Can you pronounce without mistake? MacLeod, Rachel, Achi, Vital, Pinal, one fans, slant, ban, one rabis, grant, and grant. Don't blame if you can. Thank you.